Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to generate favicon and how to upload them on your WordPress website without any plugins. So let's get started. First of all, you just need to search favicon generator on Google, and the third link you will see favicongenerator.org. Just click on this option. You will end up over here. Leave it as it is. Just go ahead and click on choose your file. Make sure to upload your own logo, and if that logo is required, that would be great. Once you select your logo, just click on create favicon, and after that your favicon has been created. Just simply download that from over here. Once you generate favicon and download that, what you need to do, go to your website Cpanel. So in this case, I have GoDaddy domain over here, and I'm going to click on this. I'm gonna open Cpanel admin. Once you open that, you just need to go to your file manager, and after that find public HTML, which is this one. Here we are going to upload that favicon. Once you upload that, click on this one so you can go back, and after that what you need to do, find that file like this one. This is what we just uploaded, and at the top right corner you will find extract. Click on this option and click on extract files. You can see that we just extracted all those files over here. The last thing you would need to do, just go back to your favicon generator website, copy this all, and you are going to paste that to your header of your website. Once you copy that and go back to your theme, if you don't find any theme which allows you to add HTML document to your header, what you need to do, just search for head tag in plugins menu, and the first one you would see head and footer code. You just need to install it and add that over there. That's it. This is all you need to know, how to generate favicon and how to upload favicon on your WordPress website. This is all you need to know. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.